Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
We are group 3 and we will discuss income tax articles 23 or 26 on other income related to the use of technical service, management service, and consulting service. I am Nabila. I am the moderator and this is my colleague.
I am the speaker 1. I am the speaker 2.
I am the speaker 3.
I am the speaker 4.
And I'm the speaker 5.
General provision of income tax article 23 and 26. 1. Income tax article 23 domestic. Article 23 income tax is withholding tax deducted by the withholding again payer on certain income paid to domestic taxpayers or permanent establishments PA tax 1. 2. Relevant PPH 23 objects include remuneration in connection with technical service, management service, consulting service, and other service other than service subjects to Article 21 income tax. 3. The PPH 23 withholding rate for this type of service 2% of the gross amount excluding VAT tax mid 1 if the income recipient doesn't have a NPWP. The rate is double 4% of the income. Example of service object includes 1. Engineering service, 2. Management service, 3. Consulting service. Thank you.
Next, it will be continued by
Income tax article 26 foreign. Article 26 income tax is imposed when payment of the income is made to a foreign taxpayer, individual or entity that is not a permanent establishment in Indonesia. The rate is generally 20% of the gross amount usually modified by a double taxation avoidance agreement DTA between Indonesia and another country PVC tax summa. Objects subject to PPH 26 can include payment for service, including engineering, management, consulting, etc. Dividends, interest, royalties, rental, use of asset. Tariff can be lower if there is a P3B.
next, it will be continued by
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Helena Adinda Putri will be continue presentation about consulting service. For example, Maju Jaya Company use tax consulting service from CP Pintar Pajak, service value 10 million rupiah, income tax article 23 rate 2%, the calculation marked down PPH 23 2% time 10 million rupiah is 200,000 rupiah. Money paid back to the state 200,000 rupiah. Money to CV Pintar Pajak 9,800,000 rupiah. Who withhold and pays tax? Maju Jaya Company. What was cut? CV Smart Tax.
next, it will be continued by
When will PPH 26 be imposed? PPH 26 be imposed if 1. Use a service, 2. Service provider for foreign people or companies. There is not permanent establishment or BUT in Indonesia. General rate. For general rate is 20% of gross. It could be smaller if there is P3B.
Next, it will be continued by
Conditions. 1. Service from Indonesian people or companies of tax Article 23 and rates 2%. 2. Service from abroad of tax Article 26 and rates 20%. 3. If do not have NPWP of tax Article 23 and rates 4%.
Okay, that's all for the presentation from our group 3. Thank you for listening to our